My another ride. Four speed. Legal. It's my two-doors Opel Rekord 1978. I got now two of those cars. Both two doors and the same color. Ridiculous. It drives on benzine and gas. LPG. Sorry for my bad English, because I'm Dutch. I buy it cheap and it drives cheap and it got rust. I know it. I can see that too. And I love it. I'm going to restore it a little bit. That's what I'm going to do, because I like cars. I sold my wagon, damn it. Wrong choice. What you see is what you get. It's a 2-liter. That's terrible. I'm going to restore that next year, because I don't have the time now. Because I got more Opels. Need a little bit welding work. And this engine goes out next year, because I need a fast engine. But it drives good. Yeah. Rushed. I take it off for the scrapyard. It's a little Holden, a little Commodore, and I love Holdens. Because I'm Dutch, we don't have it here. So I buy her a car. It's great. This is terrible. I take that off. It's for my little child. (1978). On the other side, it's a new car. Was it a bad car? I take it for parts, but it's okay. I got now two doors. Oh yeah. Drives good for a 2-liter. Is it really fast on gas? If if I put this button, I'm driving on benzine. I got it 5 weeks now. It's a great car. Lola lean. Jesus. Well, thanks for your time and watch my video. Scania. I love it.